question number 29, we're finding the derivative using Newton's quotient for this function here. So I've set up the Newton quotient, so we're going to substitute t plus h into here and here, into the t's here, and then we're going to subtract by f of x, or in this case g of x, and divide by h, and the limit as h goes to 0. So we need to then free up this some h in the numerator to get rid of this divide by h in the denominator. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to just expand that first part there. So limit as h goes to 0, I get 1 minus 2t minus 2h, and that's all over 3 plus t plus h, minus 1 minus 2t over 3 plus t. And that's all over h, so I'm going to keep track of that h as a 1 over h over here. So now that I expanded this, I need to get a common denominator, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 3 plus t here, and top and bottom here by 3 plus t plus h. So I'm going to write that out. So the limit as h approaches 0, 3 plus t times 1 minus 2t minus 2h, okay, minus 1 minus 2t times 3 plus t plus h. Okay, and that's all over my common denominator here of 3 plus t plus h times 3 plus t, and again I'm going to just keep track of my h out here for now. Okay, so then I have to expand this. I'm going to have to expand. Here, I'm going to have to expand this expression, and I need to keep track of this expression as well. So I'm going to expand the first one. So limit as h approaches 0, expanding this out, I get 3 minus 6t minus 6h plus t minus 2t squared minus 2th. Okay, so that would represent the first expansion. Now there's a minus here, so I really have to be careful that I don't forget to minus everything. To do that, I'm going to make sure I put it in brackets. Expanding this out, I get 3 plus t plus h minus 2t times 3, so negative 6t minus 2t squared minus 2th. Okay, so that would represent that expansion, and that's all over the common denominator of 3 plus t plus h, 3 plus t, and then I'm just going to keep track of the h right there. So I can now cancel some terms out. So 3 and 3, I've got a minus 6t, a minus 6t here, 2th minus 2th, minus 2t squared minus 2t squared, and it looks like that's about all that cancels. Oh, I've got a t here and a t here. Okay, so now I can collect my terms. So all that's left in the numerator is going to be minus 6h minus h. I'm going to do the limit as h approaches 0, so I'm going to end up with negative 7h. And that's the h that I want. Okay, I'm going to bring the h over here, and that h now allows me to cancel these out, and then I can evaluate this limit. So h's cancel. I end up with the limit as h approaches 0, negative 7 over 3 plus t plus h over 3 plus t. I can now substitute my h in, and I get negative 7 over 3 plus t times 3 plus t. So I'm going to write that as 3 plus t squared. Okay, so there's lots of expansion, and we have to keep track of our negatives, keep track of coefficients, so we really have to be careful with each step.